Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today we're going to take you around this absolutely stunning bay leaf green, top of the range Volkswagen Transporter. This is a bi-turbo model with the DSG gearbox and 4Motion, so it's as good as it gets. Short wheelbase Kombi, and it's a 2023 with delivery miles, so just a pre-registered vehicle. Huge factory spec and loads of additional enhancements. As you can see, it's got the LVR front bumper there with lower splitter. We'd say it's probably the best looking front end out there on the market at the minute. Full gloss black pack with satin contrast badge. And it's been lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs for that bit more sporty, aggressive look. Got 20-inch alloy wheels. We've got the sidebars and roof rails too. Gloss black pack extends to the Transporter badging on the side and the wing mirrors and surrounds. Got smoke lights and lenses on the side and all around the back. I'll show you those other ones in a minute. And full privacy tints to the rear windows. Now moving inside, this one has got the full bespoke sport seat upgrade. So it's a one-piece rear seat with integrated headrest. Very similar look to Recaro style or the Audi wingback seats. These are super comfortable, made in the UK. So quite a premium over normal leather seats. Spec wise, this one has got it all. So we have got Discover Media navigation system, heated front seats, twin electric sliding doors. It's got park assist as well, which is self park and side parking sensors. Aircon and adaptive cruise come as standard. This one's got a carbon leather steering wheel too. Now moving into the rear, we've got a 2+1 seating system in the rear, so you can still access the load area. Now in the rear, it's been fully carpet lined. The roof has been suede lined with LED downlighters. The LVR kit extends to the rear as well. It's got the fully revised rear bumper. Reverse camera too on this one. And high level spoiler. I'll just show you this one from the side so you can see how it looks. Now, as a delivery mileage vehicle, this is only 20 miles. 20 miles is all this one's got. Other important bits of spec, it has got hill descent control and diff lock. So for those of you that maybe are going to pull a caravan or pull some sort of trailer, go onto fields, potentially loose ground, that diff lock could be an absolute lifesaver for you. Power folding mirrors too. So as to say, a huge spec, probably as good a spec as anything out there at the minute. We've got 20+ photos and a full description on our website at martinatkinsoncars.co.uk. We can supply finance for either business or personal users, and we do take part exchanges. So if you're interested, please do get in touch, and thanks for watching.